get the solution there? Let's talk about LHS first. Let's take it one by one. Let's take LHS. What is LHS? Okay, 5x minus 1 into, what do you have? X plus 3. Is that? Let's multiply this. Let's multiply this. What do you have? Okay, 5x into x. 5x into x is 5x square. Done. Next, 5x into 3 is plus 15x. Check this, it's very simple. 5x into first term is x. 5x into x is 5x square. 5x into plus 3 is plus 15x. Done. Next, come to the next term, minus 1. Minus 1 into x is minus x. Is that? Next, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Clear? So you have 5x into x is 5x square. Your 5x into 3 is 15x. Come to the next term, that is minus 1. Minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Let's solve this. You have 5x square. 15x minus x is 14x. You have minus 3 here. Now this is your LHS. Now come to RHS. Let's talk about RHS. See, let's talk about RHS. Check this. What is RHS? Obviously it is x minus 5 into, what do you have? You have a 5x plus 1. Is that? Let's solve this. X into 5x. X into 5x is 5x square. Next, x into 1 is x. Next, come to the next term, minus 5. Minus 5 into 5x. Minus 5 into plus 5 is minus 25. You have x there. Next term is minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Done? Now let's solve this. You have 5x square. Here x minus 25x. X minus 25x is minus 24x. Next, minus 5 already is there. Now you have LHS, you have RHS. Let's equate LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS now. That is what is given there. Your LHS is equal to RHS. Is that? Let's solve this. You have 5x square plus 14x minus 3. That is equal to, what is that? 5x square minus 24x minus 5. Let's solve this. Clearly, on both sides, I can cancel out 5x square now. Is that? Take this minus 24x on the left hand side. If you take minus 24x on the left hand side, it becomes plus 24x. Already you have 14x. Done? That clear? Something is wrong. Just a second.
Sir, where is minus? Sir, plus 40.
Yes, we forgot plus 40.
Yeah, plus 40 isn't there.
Plus 40. So here, plus 40 means this becomes 40 minus 35. What is the value you have? Just a second.
5.
Value is plus 35 now.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. It's plus 35. Okay. So this is, let me change this. Forgot 40. So this becomes plus 35. Is that? Okay. Now this is perfect. Your 5x square goes. So here minus 24x goes on the other side, becomes plus 24. Send this 3 on the right hand side. Already you have 35 plus 3. So 24 plus 14 is 38x. 35 plus 3 is 38. So obviously what is x? 1. Yes or no? 38.
Yes, sir.
The value of x is 1. That's the answer.
Sir.
Here, let's multiply this. What is 3 into y? Obviously 3y. Next, 3 into minus 7 is minus 21. Done. The first bracket is done. Come to second bracket. Minus 2 into 3 is minus, you have y, 6y. So minus 2 into 3 is minus 6y. And minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8.
Sir, 15 by 2.
Yes. So minus 2 into 3y is minus 6y. And minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. On the RHS, you have 2 minus 5y, remains same. So here, your 3y minus 6y. What is 3y minus 6y? Obviously minus 3y. Minus 21 minus minus 21 plus 8 is minus 13. On the RHS, you have 2 minus 5y. Do one thing, take this minus 5y on the LHS. So it becomes plus 5y, already you have minus 3y. On the RHS, you have 2, send this minus 13 on the other side, it becomes plus 13. So clearly, your 5y minus 3y is 2y, the 13 plus 2 is 15. So obviously, what is y? 15 by plus 5 into x. Here, send this 4 on the other side. You have 2 root 5 plus 8 minus 4. Done. So what do you have? This is root 5 plus 5 into x. This is 2 root 5. What is 8 minus 4? 4 na? Done. Now what is x? Here x is nothing but 2 root 5 plus 4 by, divide this, root 5 plus 5. Simple question. Sano.
Yes, sir.
What do you do is, here, send this 4 on the other side, it becomes minus 4. So 8 minus 4 becomes plus 4. So what do you need to find? You need to find the value of x now. So what is x? Obviously 2 root 5 plus 4. It divides by 5 root 5 plus 5. That's it. Simple question. See,
Sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
Tell me.
root 5, 2 root 5 means root 5 into root 5.
No. 2 root 5 means root 5 plus root 5 is 2 root 5. Is that?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Root 5 plus root 5. Root 5 into root 5, 5 into 5. 5, root 5 into root 5 is root 25, na? Can be written as 5 square, na?
Yes,
Square
sir.
root and 2 and square root gets cancelled. What is the value?
5.
5. So there is a difference between root 5 into root 5. Root 5 to root 5, here root goes, it becomes 5, whereas root 5 plus root 5 is 2 root 5. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So always you should keep in mind, we need to find the value of x. Doesn't matter whatever may be the terms, whether you have irrational terms or rational terms, you don't worry about rational and irrational terms. Only thing is, you need to find the value of x. So what you do, send this 4 on the other side. So you'll come to this particular step. So there's root 5 plus 5 into x. It's 2 root 5 plus 4. So directly you can find the value of x as 2 root 5 plus 4 by root 5 plus 5. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, good. Complete this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we simplify it more further?
No, not required at this point of time. It is not required. Simplify means you have two different terms in the numerator and denominator. If instead of taking common terms also, you'll not get the terms which are in common gets cancelled. See, simplifying means what you do, you take the common term in the numerator, you take the common term in the denominator and try to cancel out the common terms in both numerator and denominator. So, but here you don't have common terms, so let it be. So we'll come across that, those questions where you have to solve the, those expressions. But here we are only concerned about finding the value of x. So that is your x.
Okay, sir.
Is it done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. So let me, okay, I think we're short of time. We are left with four more questions there. Anyway, we'll discuss this 4 questions in the next session. So here, in today's session, what you need to remember is, okay, first, what is that? Let's recall, what is linear equation? First, you need to understand, okay, what is linear equation? Then second thing is linear equation in one variable. What is linear equation in one variable? Take the examples. Then what is solution of linear equations? Solution of linear equation in one variable. Next concept is finding the solution of linear equation in one variable. Is that clear? So go and sit and please understand what is an equation, what is LHS, RHS, what is the solution of LHS and RHS, what is a linear equation, how do you define it, what is linear equation, one variable, how do you define it, few examples, then finding the solution of linear equation in one variable. How do you find the solution of linear equation in one variable? Keep practicing that. We'll extend this discussion in the next class, and there we'll discuss few more difficult questions, few more, more good questions than this. Then you'll understand how to solve the equations in one variable. So just now we saw an equation containing irrational terms. We saw the equations containing rational terms, the terms which are in multiplication, the bracket terms which are in multiplication. So we'll solve 3-4 more questions in the next session. So you'll understand clearly how to approach for the problems whenever you come across linear equation in one variable. After that, we'll continue our discussion in next session. Is that? Today we are.
Yes, sir.
Today, we have faced some, technical difficulties. Something like I could not switch on my video. Sorry, Jackie is not working properly, so I'm speaking directly with my, laptop. So all these problems will be solved, and we'll have this class, next class. I'm sure it will be much more interactive than this. Is that? So I'm sure for most of you, this is the, I think this digital classroom or this online classroom is something new. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No, next class I think you have on Wednesday. Wednesday, yes. Next class is on Wednesday, and next class by Wednesday you make sure.
Sir, we will have class on Monday and Wednesday, sir.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I think.
And Friday.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Please stop advertising.
Who is that? Because
Okay.
I'm like able to hear Telugu insults. So
Yes.
please.
Anyway, doesn't matter. In the next class we'll continue our discussion. We'll solve some more problems and have fun. Learn everything. We'll see you guys in the next session. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, will you share any worksheet or some
Yes,
solve?
you'll be getting home exercise. You'll get home exercise on the on your WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. And sir, where to solve?
Support staff will send you the what do you call
the number which
homework
is
session,
like,
homework exercise.
WhatsApp, it will come.
Yes, you'll get in WhatsApp. Solve those questions. In that questions, solve them. By next class, you solve all the questions. If you come across any question, have any doubts, after solving our questions, the four questions which are left, we'll discuss the whatever doubts you have in that home exercise. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, time is same on Wednesday and Friday also.
Yes, it's 7 to 8:30. You'll have a 1.5 hour class. Beta, it's something like instead of taking 1 hour class daily, means how many classes you get? If you take 4 days or 5 days a week, 5 hours. So instead of that, we have alternate classes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, where you'll have a 1 day gap where you can sit and spend time with your personal studies, your school work, and with this also, the foundation program also. So it will give you time to prepare well and come back for the next class, and whatever doubts you have, you can clear the doubts. So that will make you comfortable so that you can easily move forward. Now, if you pile up all your doubts, so understanding next class will be a little difficult. That's the reason why these gaps are. Okay?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
guys.
sir. Very interesting session.
Yeah.